Good morning, YouTube. Hope everybody's having a good day. This is William from Williams, Philippines, and it is Saturday, September 21st, 2024, at about 4:30 in the a.m. Hope everybody's having an enjoyable weekend. Yeah, been looking to get things planning and doing things there. Managed to get 15 wraps around the building and one all the way through up and around, and a couple extra bits and pieces. Not all the way around, but went out the back door and come back. So half the way around the building, kinda. Seeing things in the cameras that make me go, so make me have to walk around and take a look, see. But not really getting extra. Well, I guess it's extra. But I got 2.1 miles so far. So, yeah. That's a good thing. I'm shooting to take and get that every day this week. I don't remember what the steps were, but yeah, I think it's over 4,000. So, almost. Oh, hell, hang on. Yeah. I can't keep track of it. Almost 4,800. Yeah, there we go. Oh, hang on. 2.04 miles. So, yeah. Just a hair under 2.1. By the time I get done, everything else, it'll hit that. But I'm getting my 2 miles in. That's what I'm planning on hitting every day this week, and probably every day next week too. Plus whatever I get outside of work. But I'm just keeping track of what I get while I'm here at work on that one. Yeah. But was it last week when I hit the almost 6 miles total? Oh man, I took a day just to recover from that. It is what it is. So anyway, yeah, saw some videos from that Canalone there on Negros Occidental, their northern side of Negros Island. Thought that was a beautiful area. Well, I really want to check that out. And then some of the area around Naga Goa, or some sort of a mountain volcano there. I don't know. Pretty much it's all volcanoes over there, no matter whether it's what kind of mountain they say it is. It's all volcanoes. It's the Ring of Fire thing. So, yeah. But hey, also saw the spot there, Valencia City. There between Cagayan de Oro and Davao. There on Mindanao. I like that area too. Why is there so many spots over there that just scream, come here? I'm ready to go though. I know I can't, but, well, I could. Everything's a choice. The question is, what consequences are you willing to accept for the choices you make? Oh, that's the question. How well planning and, look, how far do you look down the road to see? It's like trying to figure out what days my paydays fall on all the way into 2025, so I can have an idea as to, do I go off right as I get my last day and have my paycheck go in, or do I cut off the middle of the next week, and have part of a week coming 2 weeks later, and I'm already out of the country. I don't know. Pretty sure my boss wouldn't mess with me on that, but I'm pretty sure that's not going to be a problem. But yeah, I'm trying to decide whether to walk away with the paycheck right then, or have a few extra days hanging around to be on the next paycheck. And it looks like that would be how the 9th or the 11th of July would work out. But the 1st of July is like right after my last paycheck in June, so I would end up flying out right after it if I did it that way, but the price would be higher. Yeah. But anyway, I'm having like a conniption fit. I want to go so bad. I'm starting to make stupid thinking. Just cut and run, go, go. Get over there now. Don't worry about it. Patience. You gotta have it. And no, it's not the people you send to the hospital. Although I used to think a lot like that. It is what it is. It's part of growing up, becoming better at your thought processes and looking down the road to make sure that the bridge is still there. Yeah, there's a lot of gullies in the world, and you can end up in one real fast. That's why they making sure the road is still there, or making sure the train track is still good, is very important, because ending up in the ditch is a bad idea. Yeah. Don't know about you, but I'm old enough, I've been in enough ditches and sideways on things that I don't need to take and go there to remind myself that it's a bad idea. But sometimes it's like I see some spots over there, and I was watching, and it seems like all of a sudden there's a whole slew of people putting out videos about different ports and ferries over there. I like boats. I like lots of, I was in the Navy. Got to float around on a great big gray boat. Yeah. At least that's what that is what an aircraft carrier is a great big gray boat. Yeah. That last B might have been a different word, but okay. But yeah, got to see a whole bunch of different ferries and such, and talking about different routes between the to-go ferries and the Montenegro. They just put out apparently they've added a new Philippine-built ferry. I think they've got a couple of them now, but they just put out a new one going from Batangas to Coron or something, like Cagayan or something. So I don't know. But I'm seeing that and going like, okay, I want to go. I wonder if they'll let me fish off the side of one of those. I don't know. Yeah. Temporary insanity. I'm ready to go now and go fishing. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. A car went by in the parking lot, and I'm following it in the security cameras. Part of the job. Keeping an eye on parking lot. But yeah. try and take care of things. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.